In this video, I will show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic from Facebook, and I will share with you my method that I use to promote my Fiverr affiliate links. And as you can see over here, I made $245. I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's still the same numbers as you can see over here, and as you can see here, it's paid. I received this money on my PayPal account. So in this video I will share with you my method so you can use it to promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Okay, alright, let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and want to start making money on Fiverr affiliate, you need to create an account on Fiverr like this one. Okay, so you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. So if you already have an account like this, just come to this page and scroll down like that. Okay, and go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can have an idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote on Fiverr, and you can see the commission plan over here. So you can check this website to get more information about Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so if you need to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this page. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private, and that's all. So you just need to follow a few steps and that's all. After you finish the sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, you should have an account like this, and this will be your home page. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to Fiverr and search for this service that we will promote on Facebook. Search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design. This service is very profitable, and I will show you how you can promote this service on Facebook. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers so people can trust those sellers and they can buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, because you cannot promote any sellers services, you need to choose good sellers like level 2 seller or top rated seller or level 1 seller. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one over here. As you can see, this one is top rated seller and he has almost 5 star and a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile like that. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here. Okay, just copy this link from here, copy his profile link, and go to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. So you just need to click over here on this icon over here and put your link here like that, and click over here again, and this is your Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short. So you just need to copy this link from here and go to Google and search for this website. Search for Bitly. This website make long links short. Okay, and click on the first link like that, and you will be directly in this page. So if you don't have an account on Bitly, you can sign up using your email address, and the sign up process is super easy and simple, and this website is for free. So this will be your home page after you finish the sign up process. So you just need to click over here on this icon over here and click here on link and put your affiliate link over here like that. Okay, this is my Fiverr affiliate link. You just need to click over here on create, and this website will make this link short link. Okay, and this is my Fiverr affiliate short link, as you can see. So you just need to copy this link from here And what you need to do next is you need to go to your Facebook page, okay, and click on the search over here and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design like that, and scroll down and click on groups, because we need Facebook groups, and you will find a lot of logo design Facebook groups that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join a lot of Facebook groups so you can promote your affiliate links on those Facebook groups. Okay, so for example, let's take this group over here to show you how you can promote this Fiverr affiliate link in this group. And as you can see, we find a lot of people here searching for logo design. For example, this one, I want a logo design. Anyone here, you will find a lot of people who are interested to buy logo design from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do to promote your affiliate link over here, you just need to click here like that, okay, and put your affiliate link here. Okay, put your affiliate link here and click over here and say the following. You can say like, hi, if you are looking for logo designer, check this top rated seller on Fiverr. Okay, you can say the following. Hi, if you are looking for logo designer, check this top rated seller on Fiverr, and put your affiliate link over here like that. So what you need to do next is you just need to click here on post, and your affiliate link will be shared in this group. And there are a lot of people here looking for logo designer. They will click on your affiliate link and they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. That's how you can make money on Fiverr affiliates, promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook with free traffic from Facebook groups, and start making money. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video.